Hi students, in the last class we will be discussing topic what is alcohols, nomenclature of alcohols. Today now I am going to discuss topic classification of alcohol. Classification of alcohols. Classification of alcohols. Actually, alcohols divided into four types. Alcohols divided into four types based on number of OH groups or hydroxy groups. Alcohols classified into four types based on OH or hydroxy groups. So, first one monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols. Second one dihydric alcohols. Third one trihydric alcohols, and last fourth one polyhydric alcohols. Alcohols classified into four types. First one monohydric alcohols, second one dihydric alcohols, third one trihydric alcohols, fourth one polyhydric alcohols. So, first one monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols. So, what is monohydric alcohols? Monohydric alcohols means the compounds contain only one OH group. The compounds contain only one OH groups are called monohydric alcohols. For example, CH3OH. So, the compound is only one OH group attached in the carbon. Only one OH group are present. So, this compound is a monohydric alcohols. In another example, CH3CH2OH. So, this compound also monohydric alcohols. Why? Because only one OH group are present. And another example, CH3CHOH CH3. This is also monohydric alcohols. Why? Because only one OH group are present in the compound. So, this compound is a monohydric alcohols. So, monohydric alcohols again in three types. Monohydric alcohols again three types based on attacking position of OH group. Attack position of OH group. So, monohydric alcohols again divided into three types. First one primary alcohols. And second one secondary alcohols. And third one tertiary alcohols. So, monohydric alcohols again three types: primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohols. So, what is primary alcohols? OH group attack on primary carbon. OH group attack on or attached only primary carbon. For example, CH3OH. This carbon is a primary carbon. So, OH group attached to primary carbon are called primary alcohols. Another example, CH3, CH2, OH. So OH attacked on only primary carbon. OH group attacked only primary carbon. So this compound is a primary alcohols. So primary alcohols means OH group attack on primary carbon are called primary alcohols. And second one, secondary alcohols. Second one, secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohols means OH group attacked on secondary carbon. OH group attacked on secondary carbon are called secondary alcohol. For example, CH3, CH2, CH3, OH. So OH group attacked on secondary carbon. OH group attacked on secondary carbon. OH group attacked on secondary carbon are called secondary alcohols. And third one, tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols means OH group attacked on tertiary carbon are called tertiary alcohols. For example, CH3, 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 OH. So OH attack on tertiary carbon. OH attack on tertiary carbon are called tertiary alcohols. OH group attacked on primary position are called primary alcohols. OH group attacked on secondary carbon are called secondary alcohols. OH group attacked on tertiary carbon are called tertiary alcohols. So this is monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols means the compounds which contain only one OH group are called monohydric alcohols. Okay, and second one, dihydric alcohols. Second one, dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols means the compound contain only two OH groups. The compounds contain only two OH groups are called dihydric alcohols. For example, CH2OH, CH2OH. So this compound name glycine. This compound name glycine. Glycine. So the compound attacked on two OH groups. The compound present on two OH groups are called dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols means the compounds attached on two OH groups are called dihydric alcohol. For example, glycine. And another example, CH2OH, CH2OH, CH3, CH2OH, CHOH, CH3. The compound name glycine 1,2 propane. Glycine 1,2 propane. The compound attached on two OH groups. Compound attached on two OH groups are called dihydric alcohols. So dihydric alcohols means the compound attached are present on two OH groups are called dihydric alcohols. And third one, trihydric alcohols. Third one, trihydric alcohols. Trihydric alcohols means the compound present in three OH groups. The compound present on three OH groups are called trihydric alcohols. For example, CH2OH, CH2OH, Okay, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. So this compound name glycerin. The compound name glycerin. So trihydric alcohols means the compounds present in 3 OH groups. The compound present in or attached in 3 OH groups are called trihydric alcohols. Example, glycerin. Okay, and last polyhydric alcohols. Polyhydric alcohols. So polyhydric alcohols means the compounds contain 3 or more. The compounds contain 3 or more OH groups are called polyhydric alcohols. The compounds attached on 3 or more OH groups are called polyhydric alcohols. For example, mannitol, CH2OH, CHOH, 4, CH2OH. The compound name mannitol. Mannitol is a polyhydric alcohols. Polyhydric alcohols means compound containing 3 or more OH groups are called polyhydric alcohols. So this is classification of alcohols. So alcohols classified into 4 types based on number of OH groups are present in the compound. So 4 types. First one, monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols mean compound attached with only 1 OH groups. So again monohydric alcohols divided into 3 types: primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohols. Okay. Second one, dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohols means the compound contain 2 OH groups. And next, third one, trihydric alcohol. Trihydric compound, the compounds contain 3 OH groups. Next, polyhydric alcohols. Polyhydric compounds alcohols means the compound attached on more than 3 OH groups. So this is classified into alcohols. Thank you.